Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we dive into what many consider the best Lattafa Pride, the Lattafa for Unisex 2-piece Eau de Parfum gift set. This elegant duo includes Yara Moi for women and Assad for men, each housed in a generous 3.4-ounce, or 100ml, bottle. Whether you are buying for yourself or as a gift, this set captures the essence of luxury and sophistication in one beautifully curated package. Let's begin with Assad, a bold amber fragrance designed for men, though it's perfectly unisex. Launched in 2021, Assad opens with a captivating blend of black pepper, pineapple, and tobacco. This combination offers a spicy yet fresh introduction that commands attention. As the scent develops, the heart reveals rich notes of coffee, patchouli, and iris, adding depth and complexity. The base lingers with warm vanilla, amber, dry woods, benzoin, and labdanum, creating a long-lasting, luxurious trail that is both comforting and mysterious. This fragrance balances strength and subtlety, making it ideal for any occasion, day or night. On the feminine side, we have Yara Moi, a newer release from 2022 that beautifully complements Assad. This fragrance opens with fresh, bright notes of jasmine and peach, creating a sweet and inviting aroma right from the start. The middle notes introduce caramel and amber, adding a warm, gourmand touch that feels both elegant and playful. Finally, the base settles into a smooth blend of sandalwood and patchouli, giving the perfume a grounded, sensual finish. Yara Moi is a refined scent that manages to be both fresh and cozy, perfect for women who want something distinctive yet versatile. Both perfumes in this gift set are liquid in form and come in sleek, well-sized bottles that are easy to handle and perfect for daily use. The overall scent profiles are spicy, sweet, and floral, providing a dynamic experience for both men and women. A special feature of this set is its longevity. The perfumes are crafted to be long-lasting, so a few sprays will keep you enveloped in fragrance throughout the day. Application is simple and effective. Just spray on your pulse points such as wrists, neck, and behind the ears. The alcohol-based formula contains carefully selected ingredients including denatured alcohol, limonene, coumarin, linalool, citral, water, and parfum to ensure a consistent and enjoyable scent. In summary, the Lattafa for Unisex 2-piece Eau de Parfum gift set offers a balanced and sophisticated pairing of fragrances. Assad delivers a deep, spicy amber experience with hints of coffee and vanilla, while Yara Moi presents a fresh yet warm floral gourmand scent that delights the senses. Together, they embody the essence of Lattafa's signature quality and style. If you're looking for a fragrance duo that stands out with a unique blend of notes and long-lasting performance, this set is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews on the best products out there.